Ready to upgrade your home Wi-Fi with the Linksys Velop Intelligent Mesh System? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Unbox the router and plug it into a power source near your modem. Connect the Velop node to your modem using the included Ethernet cable. Download the Linksys app on your smartphone and open it. Create or log into your Linksys account through the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect your router and begin the setup. Name your Wi-Fi network and set a secure password when prompted. Place additional Velop nodes in different rooms for full home coverage. Use the app to add them one by one. Complete the setup and let the system optimize itself for the best performance. Test your connection around the house to ensure seamless mesh coverage. And that's it. Your Linksys Velop Mesh Wi-Fi system is ready to keep you connected, no matter where you are in your home.